Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can disable the guest mode on your Chrome browser. Guys, if you want to close the guest mode, then just click on this guest option. You will see the option of close guest mode. So just click on this close guest. Now you want to continue without an account or sign into your account. Now just click on this option and just scroll down. You will see the option of add. Just click on this option of add. Now here you have to select the sign in. If you have the Google account, you can easily sign in on your Google Chrome. But if you don't have an account, then just click on the create without an account. So I can just click on the create without an account. Now here, just give your browser name. Like I can easily give it a name like Pro, and you can also easily change its colors, and also you can change its themes. And this is how you can disable the guest mode. If you find this really helpful, so please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.